An All India rank holder chartered accountant with a law degree, Mr. Suresh Prabhu has held numerous positions in the Government of India. He has served as a Member of Parliament for 4 terms and was widely recognized as one of the best performing MPs. As a Union Cabinet Minister, he managed 6 ministries: Industry, Environment and Forest, Power, Chemicals and Fertilizers, Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises, and Interlinking of Rivers. He is affiliated with a large number of national and global organizations which cover almost every sphere of human activity, and has also served as a senior advisor to the United Nations. His positive approach, easy accessibility, and transparency have won him many hearts. The name Suresh Prabhu, when translated to English, means the sun god. So I'd like to request our sun god to bestow his shining rays upon us and say a few words. Mr. Suresh Prabhu.
So, good afternoon, friends. Like usual, this has been a wonderful ceremony. One of the most looked after events, not just by us, but by people all over the world. And literally this time the world was here, Miss World was there also. And therefore it has been an extremely interesting, very entertaining and very learning experience for all of us to know that how much good work is done all over the world, how much we can learn from that, and how much we could emulate that. In fact, this has been an excellent galaxy of people with a lot of beauty, and people also who have done their duties. So this has been there always. Very happy to see the person with spiritual power, spiritual energy, and there was something missing, so that the Minister of Energy is also here. So I think now we have really covered the whole ground, and really hopefully this particular program will motivate a lot of people to do many good things in life. Normally, when we just walk around, look around, talk to people, there is a lot of pessimism. People feel nothing is going to happen. And there will be enough number of reasons why things won't happen. And if you really listen to it, you'll get convinced. But then these are the people who didn't believe in that talk. They believed in something more and thought things could change if I really want to make it happen. And that is why the things have changed. And I'm sure they will change for better in the years to come if all of us and many more join this effort of changing the world in our own way. It is not that everybody has to be doing the same thing. As our Prime Minister said on 15th of August from Red Fort, that even those who are doing business, those who are going to do something good for society, are as much as contributor to the national good as maybe those who fought for the freedom of the country. And that is why we really need to find out such good occasions to bring good people together. And therefore I wish to congratulate Mr. Nani Krupani and my good friend Niranjan Hiranandani for making this happen. I sometimes wonder how Dr. Mashelkar finds such good people from all over the world. So he is not just an inventor, but you are also a person with discovery, ability to discover. So this is what you really do. So I'm sure you will find many more people in the years to come. In this particular event were 2 awardees. One, of course, is someone who has come from our good friend Bangladesh, and someone like Jeffrey Sachs, who looked like very far away, but has been always in the midst of us because his ideas always keep motivating us. And both of them are doing on something very interesting project. How do you remove poverty of the world? And sometimes we wonder, is it really possible? But we have seen a long way. In fact, if you really look at 50 years ago, the world was far more complex, far more difficult to live in, and things have changed. So just imagine, this is something which is really doable with innovative ideas. Someone who is doing business is also contributing to remove poverty. Somebody who is trying to do through civil service organizations is also contributing to the same objective. And therefore, I think this is something definitely doable. And Jeffrey Sachs has always been saying, and that is why I was giving that example, that if you just refocus our priorities, probably we'll be able to do far better than with the limited resources that we have in the world. And therefore, I'm sure poverty is going to be one of the big challenges for us and which could definitely be removed. I was quite impressed by what you just said. And in fact, I was telling my friend Niranjan that, unfortunately I don't watch many movies, so I would not know much. But I was so impressed with the way you explained this. So I'm sure we need these icons as well for India to really bring about the type of change we want. We are right now in a phase of optimism for the country. For too long, we thought India is also drifting after really progressing for more than 1.5 decades. The new leadership, a new Prime Minister, and the type of message that is going all over the world, I'm sure things are really going to change for better. Few things, simple things, which we thought are going to be there just around us all the time, like removing dirt, making India cleaner. These are the small little things which will go a long way in improving the quality of life of the people, but also bringing in higher economic activity in India. So something like the whole world, it looks like, in the last 3 months, have come and met our Indian leadership. So this is something like the world is looking at India. It's our duty now to live up to our own potential and what we are capable of doing. And I'm sure if that we do, and we remove our own poverty in India, we have already removed world's half poverty, because more than half of the poor live in India itself. And therefore, we really need to work in a way that we contribute to this in our own way, on simple way, by innovative ideas, innovative solutions, by bringing different people together. And I'm sure this function will make that happen by motivating people to contribute towards it. So once again, I really wish that I could also contribute something like this, what so many people have done. Maybe that will motivate me to do that. So thank you very much.